nutritionist just felt a disturbance. Welcome to the kitchen, where portions don't count if you need a microscope to see them. One pot, every ingredient. Let's go. Dicing the chicken first. Onion, garlic, sun-dried tomato, and real Parmesan. Always real Parmesan. Just enough color. Don't rush this part. That smell right there, that's the whole dish. Broth, cream, pasta. Straight in, no draining, no extra pot. Okay, here it comes. That's the pull we came here for. 2 minutes. Let it thicken on its own. One pot, one bowl, 0 regrets.